Cause we made it, underestimated, always underrated. This is what exactly I'm going to sing in a couple of hours from now because I'll be singing Louis Tomlinson live at Lolla India 2025. And welcome back to yet another episode of In My Opinion, where I, Einish, dissect music videos like I try to find hidden messages in One Direction songs. This music video reaction is really very special because I've been a Directioner for the longest time, and also right now I'm a Louis fan as well. So I feel Louis as an artist writes songs and lyrics that I can personally relate to because I want to have raw conversations with someone, but that person does not end up reciprocating it. So I listen to Louis Tomlinson songs. Also, I feel this is a full circle of life moment because this song literally means we made it, and Louis started on the X Factor as a contestant and he went on to becoming an X Factor judge. Also, his final act, which was by Dalton Harris, ended up winning the X Factor. Okay, the music video starts with Louis Tomlinson in an arcade or a diner, and we have a very young couple, which is the main character of the entire music video. If you see, they are in a very shady kind of an apartment, and the visuals are very classic, giving a hint of nostalgia as well. But this main couple has a wish, a longing, and something like they want to break the walls and achieve something in life. This main couple is also in one of the most iconic videos of Louis Tomlinson, which is Kill My Mind. So it's an Easter egg from that music video to this one. And in that music video, we can see that they are young, they are reckless, but this kind of love is very mature. The music video then starts gaining some pace, and we see the young couple trying to get out of the apartment, and they are trying to find a way out in life. It's giving me an illusion that, when couples are in love, you are not against each other, but you're against the problem, and they're trying to make it in life. This also relates to Louis because he was one of those people who was in One Direction, and he was trying to make his own solo journey as an artist as well. He has mentioned in one of his interviews that he wrote this song about the times when he was in One Direction and the boys were just starting to tour and go on major gigs, and they were trying to figure out in life if they're going to make it or not. Okay, if you listen to the music very closely, in through the lyrics and also to the beats and the tunes, you can feel a little bit of Green Day and Oasis influence. Louis has openly admitted that he's majorly influenced by these artists, and right now he will be headlining Lolla India 2025 with Green Day, who is his inspiration. Also, towards the end of the music video, we see that the young couple has kind of made it out in life, but there is still some sort of uncertainty in their eyes, giving me the idea that maybe in life it's not all about happy endings or having a perfect love story. It's all about surviving, standing strong, and growing it together. And Louis has seen it all, so there is no other witness than better than him. So next we have few of the fan comments, and Louis' fans are known to be very passionate about his music and his music videos. So let me read out few of them for you. Number one would be, you just cannot hate this guy. He's literally the reason why I love being born in this era. The next would be, Louis is a person who expresses everything that is inside him in those beautiful songs. And lastly, life is too short to not pretend to like Louis Tomlinson. Okay, so if you liked We Made It, there are certain Louis approved anthems that I have for you. Number one would be Just Hold On, because this song was the first ever solo track that Louis released after the One Direction hiatus. The second would be The Greatest, because we literally are the greatest. Third would be Kill My Mind, because this music video is a sequel to that. And the fourth would be Bigger Than Me, because it's also a song about personal journey. Okay, on my taste palette, if I have to rate this song, it would be a well-earned coffee after an all-nighter where you are wanting every sip of it. It is strong, it is a little bitter, but it is very, very satisfying. And with that, that's a reaction for the fourth episode of In My Opinion. And if you like this music video, let me know in the comment section below. Of course, you need to like and subscribe to the channel as well so that I can keep continuing doing this. And if you are a Louis fan and if you're attending Lolla, let me know which song from his setlist you want to see him perform live. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
94.3 Radio 1.